My dream was to have a mini mill in my garage. It was my dream. Like, I had no money, I had no opportunity, I had no chance at a good life, nothing, right? And I had a certain talent, and I just like, man, I just believed I could get customers. I believed that I could do it. Your customers dictate your growth. You know, your customers dictate your growth. Opportunity dictates your growth. But you gotta be careful when you walk in, and make sure you don't overextend yourself. Make sure that you have your eggs in multiple baskets, right? You gotta make sure that you get the right customers and the right employees, that you build culture, you build a great team and stuff. But basically this trade, people can complain about it. This is the greatest trade in the history of the world, bar none. Because of your talent, you can achieve amazing things. Because of your talent, you put the work in, you go get it. Don't complain. Get in early, leave late, put the work in, and make it happen. Dare to be different. Dare to be different. Go out and change the world. You know, help people make their products, make parts that go to space, go into the ocean, go everywhere in between. Like, high tech is rising right now. You guys have crazy opportunities, but you gotta perfect and master that art. Let's just do something crazy and go after it.